Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to run your own loyalty program, giving customers bonus points when they buy from your store, so they keep coming back. It's one of the simplest ways to turn a one-time buyer into a regular. Let's set it up. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard. In the left menu, under Marketplace Store, click Loyalty Program. This is where you set up bonus points for your shoppers. Tick Enable My Bonus Loyalty Program. This switches on bonus Resogra points for everyone who buys from your store. Choose your bonus multiplier. 1x is standard, 2x means double points, and you can go up to 5x. A higher multiplier gives shoppers a stronger reason to choose you. Set a monthly budget cap to stay in control, or leave it at 0 for no limit. When the cap is reached, bonus points simply pause until next month. Finally, click Save. Your loyalty program goes live once it's approved, and your customers start earning bonus points that bring them back to buy again. And that's your loyalty program, ready to go. Once it's approved, every customer who buys from your store earns the bonus points you set, and points bring them back to spend again. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.